guys, we had that annoying problem where the door check strap won't hold the door anymore open and it closes on you, and so we're going to show you how to fix that. These are our new Ministry Auto LED puddle lights. I'll throw the link in below so you can have a look at them in detail. The super bright LED with the glass cover, excellent quality. Now you can pull this circular handle trim off. It's got 4 clips holding it on, as you can see. Once that pins out, now you can work on the door trim itself, which has clips starting from this right hand bottom section all the way around to the top. And we'll do that now. So what you'd normally do at this stage is take the entire panel off, including the window motor, the window regulator, the door glass, to gain access to that door check strap. As I say, we're going to show you a much faster way, which involves just taking out the speaker you see in front of you. Just go ahead and remove that electrical plug at the top and the 4 T20s around the speaker. That way you'll have access into the door panel. You'll see the door check strap on your left hand side. Once that's off, you can see inside the door itself, and up on the left hand side is the door check strap we're after. There's no bolts on the inside here. It's all from the outside of the door, which I'll show you right now. There's the check strap, and we take the little rubber water cover off to reveal 2 torque screws. So we take those guys out, and on the other end is a male torque screw, which also needs to be removed, and she's ready to pull out. We've now pulled the check strap out. There's the new one on the left, so we'll go ahead and install that back through the speaker hole. You can get pretty good access in there, so you can maneuver it around to line up the torque screw bolts. You get to insert the rubber splash guard before you insert the male torque bolt. And now the door functions as it should. The door check strap's holding up for us, and no more clicking.